Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, we're going to start the Halloween series. I am so excited to start this series with you guys. You have no idea. I have been making so many videos for you guys. I already have a few videos that I need to upload, so please make sure you guys subscribe. Please make sure that you hit the notification button so that you guys can get notified when I'm uploading videos. I'm so happy to be back, guys. I really needed this. Yeah, I definitely needed this. Thank you so much, all you wonderful human beings, for being so thoughtful and so caring and just so beautiful, and for checking up on me to make sure that I was okay. It's really sweet and just really kind of you to do that, and I truly appreciate that. So all right, my love, so I'm going to be starting the Halloween series, and we're going to start with potion bottles. This is going to be such an easy video or tutorial because I needed to make some signs for the office, and I needed to do them quickly, right? I didn't want to spend so much time on creating something because I do have a big space to fill in, right? We have 4 examination rooms plus the office, so we wanted to just keep it simple and flowing. So I made these really fun potion bottles, which I'm so excited about, and I love the way they turned out. I absolutely love the way they turned out. I saw this at the Dollar Tree, and I instantly knew what I was going to do with these potion bottles. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this super duper easy potion bottle, and you guys are going to be like, wow, that's really super duper fast. It is. We're going to use the Dollar Tree sign. I found these at the Dollar Tree not too long ago. I grabbed literally like 20 of these signs because I really had some really great ideas on using the little potion bottle. So what we're gonna do is we're going to tear this apart. What I did was I'm just gonna chop off the little potion bottles and leave them individually. When you do that, you'll just get these like separately, right? Now the sign that we're going to that's attached to the potion bottle, we're going to be doing another project using the sign on our next video, which I already have. I already did that video, but I need to like upload it, and so I'll be doing that tonight. All right, babies, so what are we going to use to create our potion bottles? Whatever your heart desires, right? Whatever your heart desires. My videos are intended for you to use whatever you have at home. I don't want you guys to go out and spend gazillions of money just to try to create something, because it makes no sense. Again, Dollar Tree, very affordable. If you can't find this at the Dollar Tree, then just go to Pinterest, download a template, and make your own potion bottles using Halloween paper, or trace it. It really doesn't matter. So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my little hooky thing there so I can hook it to the wall. So I'm using twine for that. You can also use Halloween ribbon, which will be perfect for this part of the project, or you can use, you know, twine, lace, yarn, whatever you have, even fabric. If you want a strip of fabric will be nice also. And you're just going to make a little hook so that you can hang this from the wall. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to make a little bow. How I made my bow is very simple. I use these Halloween mesh from the Dollar Tree also, and all I did was I cut a little slitter and I made a little bow. You can also use fabric if you want, like Halloween fabric, you can do that. You can also use lace, you can also use paper, whatever you want to use, whatever you have. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut a little slitter off. Now, if you want your bows to be like super fluffy, then you would make a wider cut. If you want your bows to be like, then you make a smaller cut. I want my bows to be, so I'm going to make a small cut, okay? And again, I don't measure anything. I eyeball everything. I'm not good with measurements. I don't like using measurements, and again, that's my preference. But if you are a person that likes things cut perfectly, then that's also okay. Now I'm going to gather it in the center, and all I'm going to do is just gather my mesh. See that? Gather, 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 gather from one end to the other. And what you're going to do is you're going to hold it, and that's going to create a cute little fluffy bow. We're going to wrap this around with twine, and that's basically all we are going to do. Either twine, ribbon, whatever spare, like yarn or something, just anything to keep your little bow together so that you can later on, you know, maneuver around it. You want to fluffy it out, or you want to maybe trim it because it's too long, you know, whatever it is that you want. But by doing this, it gives you the ability to play around with it and just cut the extras off. All right, beautiful. Then I will look at my bow and see if I like it. Do I like it? Does it look okay? Does it look too big? Does it look too fluffy? You know, just eyeball it and see how it looks to you. If you like your bow the way it is, all you gotta do is just glue your bow down to your potion bottle. I'm gonna use this. Well, actually, we can use this one, but I'm gonna trim it a little bit because I think my bow is a little too big. So all I'm gonna do is just trim it just a tad to make my bow a little smaller. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue it to my potion bottle. Just use a little bit of hot glue and attach it to your potion bottle right in the center or wherever you want. I'm going to use the center, but you can use whatever you want. And you're going to get something that looks like that. Now, for the next part is super duper easy. Use your plastic spiders, and you could get these anywhere. You could get these at Dollar Tree. You can get these Target. Michael's even has them. Anywhere you can really find these little plastic spiders. And I'm also going to use a plastic bat. If you don't have spiders, you can use whatever you have. You can even put buttons. If you don't have any little like plastic little insets, you can put buttons if you want, you know. I'm going to cut the backing off my spider because I need my spider to be flat on my potion bottle. And I'm going to do the same thing with my bat. So where's my bat? Oh, here, my bat. All I'm going to do is hot glue my bat and hot glue my spider, and I'm done. Literally, that's all I did. I'm telling you, this project is so freaking fast and so easy, but the outcome is super adorable. Super adorable. So I glued down my spider to the middle of my bow, and I'm going to glue down my bat in the side. Only because I like the way it looks in the side, but if you want to do it anywhere else, you are welcome to. And literally, guys, that's all I did. Now, these turned out absolutely adorable with so simple steps, right? Look at this. I absolutely adore the way these turned out. The only difference that I did with these is that I added some, this one is purple and this one is orange. I added some orange and purple sequins to the end of my little potion bottle, just to give it a little bit of a different look. But you don't have to do that if you don't want to. But for instance, here I did the orange, I did the purple. This one I don't have anything. This one I did the purple, as you can see there. I mean, you can literally just go crazy, guys. Literally. It's just such a fun project to do. I absolutely adore it. This one I used the purple, as you can see there. And that's how you make these beautiful potion bottles, guys. I hope that you guys love and enjoy watching me create these potion bottles. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I am going to be taking pictures on how this looks on the wall, and you can get an idea on how they are going to look. I just love them. I'm bringing them. I'm definitely going to bring them in today, and we are going to hang them on the wall. So I love them. I think they turned out so beautiful. All right, my loves, I hope you enjoyed watching me make these beautiful potion bottles. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you like. That will really help me a lot. And I also am asking you guys if you want to hit the notification button so that you can get notified when I'm going to be uploading videos. So I love you. Thank you so much for everything. Thank you for your beautiful comments, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, honey bunnies.